Hey, and welcome to Cryptology for You, the channel that is not about cryptology at all, but all about cryptocurrency. And in today's video, we're going to continue to complete our pricing sheet that we have made to get all of the prices of our coins that we're invested in directly from Coinmarket Cap. I am your host, Paulie D, and let's get straight into Excel. Let's recap exactly what we've done so far. We had made a blank sheet which we had filled out for ADA, Cardano, and then we actually just ended up copying that sheet and making our ADA Cardano coin sheet. And in that we have our total coin, our average price, the total that we had purchased, the total that we've sold, any profits and losses, any rewards, the current price directly from CoinMarketCap, the current value, and any unrealized profit. And up until that point, we had just taken the live price directly from CoinMarketCap just with these two coins. So far, we were just looking at Cardano and Ripple, and you can update that just by hitting refresh, and this gets the data directly from CoinMarketCap. And we'll see which way the market's gone. Oh, look, it's gone up just slightly, so that's good for us. Let's head back and take a look at our Cardano sheet. Look at that, we've now got an unrealized profit of $15.41. That's up quite a bit from when I last looked. What we want to do now though is, because we are on our blank sheet and our blank sheet's got some of our data from Cardano, let's just clear this blank sheet so it's completely ready for use and copying. Let's get rid of, let's zoom in on that so you can see what I'm doing a little better. Let's get rid of date, cost, and number purchased. So this is just our blank sheet and we're going to be copying this several times. That's gone. I had already got rid of the rewards. Sorry, I deleted that off. So there was 0.5 rewards there. Let's delete that off. I'm going to delete the exchange data here as well, but don't worry, it's still there. You can still put in the exchanges, so there's no problems there. We will leave the ticker here for the time being because I don't have any other way to know that A5 is your ticker. I'll just do that from memory. Scroll across now. Let's just do the same now with the sales. Get rid of the first three columns and get rid of the exchange data. Be careful not to change these columns here, the price per coin, and over here the cost per coin, because those are equations. So the formula that's in there, if you delete that, you'll have to copy it again from another cell. We're still going to be getting the current price because we've got ADA sitting in here. If I delete that out, then of course you get the NA, and that's, I mean, that's fine. This is directly off of just the blank sheet, but I'll just keep that in there so that we know that we're getting some data. Right, I think it's time that we make our second sheet. So our second sheet is for, let's go to take a look here, for Ripple XRP. So let's do that. We copy the blank sheet. We go move or copy. We copy the blank, so we click on the blank and we create a copy, and done, blank 2. Click on that and we rename that tab to XRP. It is important that you rename the tab to the correct ticker name for that coin. Now what you need to do is delete off the ADA and replace it with XRP, and watch what happens here when I push enter. The current price will pick up the Ripple current price. There it is, it now picks up the Ripple current price. We don't have the correct ticker symbol, so let's get rid of the symbol, delete that. And let's go to CoinMarketCap and collect the correct symbol. So this is XRP, which is just in the top, what's the 6th most highest CoinMarketCap. Copy that image, just copying the symbol. Head back to your Excel sheet. Remember, just find a blank cell to paste this in and then pop it in there. And I'm just going to use the arrow keys to center this up. That looks okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once that's done, you now have your new sheet. You have your XRP sheet, and that's ready to go. You can start putting in your trades here, and we'll do that soon. But in the meantime, let's take a look here. In our pricing, we only have 2 coins. We might want to add some more. So we're going to go and continue to add some more coins here, and this is probably a little bit of a new technique for a lot of you, so it would be worth to watch this over and a few more times perhaps, just to follow what's going on. You need to click on where it says query, and you have to make sure that you see this part up here where you've got these options, and you want to edit this. Once you've clicked edit, I'm going to show you, you have to click here on source. Now my API address is going to come up again, so I'm going to cover that, so you're not going to get to see it. I'm going to do some tricky maneuvering on covering that. So I'm going to click source. So I clicked the cog, and magic of internet, up comes something to cover my API address. I've clicked the cog, and here it is. So now you're back to pretty much where it looked like you started in episode 5 of this series. What you need to do then is look at where it says URL parts, and we're going to add some more symbols directly after where it says symbol. I'm going to have to click on this, and I don't want to reveal my API address, so it's going to be a bit more magic. There you go, there is the symbol, and all we have right now is ADA and XRP. Let's just add a few more. Now you need to have the correct tickers when you do add some more. So head back to Coinmarket Cap, and we'll go through maybe, well, let's add the most common and the most likely that you're going to invest in, Bitcoin, BTC, that's the ticker. So head back to your Excel sheet, and there it is, and now click, and you may as well do this alphabetically, so click directly after the comma after ADA, or get your cursor to that point and just type in the ticker that you're wanting to look up, and in this case BTC. There you go, I've added BTC, more magic. You will need to remember to add the comma directly afterwards. Now BTC isn't the only one we want. Let's go take a look and see if we can put some more in here. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, BNB, why not? Let's just stay on the top run here. We'll go BNB. Let's add in Terra. Let's add in Solana. And let's just cruise down a bit more. Let's add in Atom. So let's do a couple of these. BNB. So we'll head back. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in, again, alphabetically. So I've added in ADA at the start and XRP, so we already had those. Now I've added in Atom, BNB, BTC, Luna, and Sol. Maybe we should add in Ethereum as well. That's a commonly used coin. So this is a good start for us. Just click on the OK. So now that you've clicked on OK, this should come up into your JSON document, and you'll have now all the extra tickers that you're looking for. And providing they're spelt correctly, this will come up in the table when you push OK. Now if you remember rightly, we already have this navigation and convert to a table, so we don't need to do that again. Now that we've just added some more coins, what you do is you click on Home. I'm going to click on that now. There you go, clicked on Home, and you'll get all of these options up here. Now instead of actually continuing to make a new table, you just close and load. But I'm gonna do this in this case, and I'm gonna show you what happens. We do get a little problem, and I will show it to you. Just hold your horses. So click close and load. There it is. I click close and load, and up comes our table. We have ADA, we have Atom, we have BNB, BTC, ETH, we have Luna, and we have Luna. We have Sol, and XRP. It appears our API likes to duplicate things for some reason. Now this didn't happen in version 1, but it does happen in version 2, so we need to fix for it. And I'm going to show how that is done now. Okay, click back in on Edit. Now notice that we've come straight up to the last part here. We have the expanded value, and we already have all of these extra sols, extra lunas, and extra atoms. We need to get rid of those. So what we can do is actually hit this Remove Rows button. And now we want to remove duplicates. And just click that, and look, up here comes Remove Duplicates, And now we've got rid of our duplicates. We have ADA, Atom, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna, Solana, and Ripple. And now all you need to do is close and load. There it is. That is what has happened now. We have removed the duplicates and we have the correct prices now for all of the coins that we're currently looking for. So that leaves me with just one more thing to do. We need to make the sheets for these. So let's make the sheet for Atom, and then from there you can do the rest. So blank, move or copy, create copy of the blank sheet. Okay. Rename this ATOM. Delete off this symbol. Rename A5 to Atom. And in comes the current price for Atom. And let's go now back to Coinmarket Cap. Let's scroll down until we find Atom. There it is, Cosmos. We copy the image. We go back and we find an empty cell. We pop in our symbol and we align it somewhat close enough to the middle. Done. Now just do the same now for the other coins you have got. Okay, well, magic of internet once again. I'm completed, I'm done. I didn't do them in a particular order, so what I'm going to do is rearrange them. I want XRP at the end. It's alphabetical for us. Bitcoin's going to go ahead there, and BNB ahead of Bitcoin. ETH, Luna, so that's it. That's perfect. Alphabetical isn't important, but it's good. Okay, now let us just recap. I have managed to put in some extra coins that I've taken straight from Coinmarket Cap using the API. I've been able to remove duplicates from when I have edited this table data. I have added in some extra sheets now, and all I've done is changed the ticker and the symbol, and this gives us the current price directly from the pricing. And I can refresh this at any stage now that I want, and we'll get the new prices coming through, and we'll be able to go back and see those reflected in the current price. There will be no unrealized profit until we start putting in some trades. So the real key takeaway from this is that you can add as many coins as you like, remembering 100 coins is the equivalent of 1 API credit. You can do this 333 times a day for free, up to 10,000 times a month for free. If you decide to do 200 coins or 101 even, it's going to be 2 credits for every time you call the API. And you can still do that 333 credits in a day or 10,000 in a month. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, and then you can also like the videos and share them with your friends so that they get to keep their portfolios offline as well, because that is incredibly handy. And as you know, I do this all for free, but I would love it if you just said, hey, you can have some reward for doing all this good work. Here is some coin. I've got addresses below as well as links that you can use. Please go ahead, do that, and enjoy. There's still a little bit more to go on this video just to finish up this sheet so that we can have some great data on our front pricing page.